I wanted to share a simple idea I had with you. We've got the insulated Van Essential Maxxfan cover, and we like to sleep with it on and with this flapped down a bit, but we find that in the morning I get a lot of light in my eyes down on the bed, and I've made some simple, it's a piece of wooden dowel with a magnet, neodymium magnet on either end, and then just a piece of heat shrink around it, and it just attaches and holds this open. It's at an angle where it doesn't let the sun in my eyes, but I can have the fan on 4 or so before it's, you know, not a large enough opening for the airflow. So it's perfect for nighttime. We usually run it on just 1 or 2 just to kind of get the little bit of air flow through the van. Also, it puts it in a position where my overhead cabinets don't interfere with it. Before, if this is hanging down at nearly a 90-degree angle, this would get jammed on that and snap it back closed. Also, when we had this hanging down, if you go to close any door, slam the sliding door, or really any large pressure change, it would snap this cover back up. So anyway, real pleased with this. I'm going to make another one for the front because we like to keep one of the front insulated covers out a couple inches for the front window vent. I'll do a picture or video of that as well, but pretty simple to make. If you got any questions, post them in the comments. Otherwise, if you haven't yet, check out the camper build. And as usual, hope this helps somebody.